Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson, experimental homesteader, exotic gardening, and SheriAnnRicherson.com. And we're standing in the front corner of my garden. You can hear the cars going past that are stopping at the stop sign here. And what I wanted to show you is, again, this absolute way you say it, that I grew from seed that I got from someone in Germany. It was supposed to be a brown flower, and as you see, it is this gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Honestly, I couldn't be happier with it. It did take several years for the seed to germinate, and then it took a number of years after that to get the first flower. But I'm very pleased with the way things have turned out with it. The purple flowers around it are Dame's Rocket. They are a wildflower, but they're also very fragrant, and I absolutely love them. There's some here in the front too. Like I said, we have a lot of traffic going by. This is a creeping phlox. It's another early spring blooming perennial that I absolutely love. It makes a fantastic ground cover, and the pollinating insects really seem to love it. I've seen a lot of bees on this. So I know in the background a lot of things are not blooming or have just finished blooming, but I know in the background you can see the red tulips. I'm trying not to walk too fast. This is a gorgeous variegated grass that I got from a friend. I have a lot of weeds in here that I do need to deal with, but I really want to show you this gorgeous, gorgeous tulip. These are huge. If I put my hand underneath of this, I mean, you could see that is huge. And I love the multi-petals in it. It really reminds me of peonies, or as I said, pineys. Depending on where you're from, it's my understanding that it's said a different way. But they're one of my very favorite spring flowers. They really are, and I have quite a few here on the property. I don't know what this green flowering ground cover is, but if any of you know, I would like to know. I'll leave it in the comments, because it does take over, but I really like how feathery it is, and I love when it blooms. Sorry, we had another truck going by. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little short glimpse of the garden. I'm sure there's going to be more as I'm walking around and finding areas that's in bloom. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.